Welcome to Immigration Q&A with Attorney Estee. I'm Attorney Estee Aceron Bisnar. I'm practicing immigration law, family law, and probate and estate planning here in California. And I'm also licensed to practice law in New York and Philippines. In this segment, I will answer questions about U.S. immigration law. So, if you have questions, feel free to email me at attorneyest@aceronbisnarlaw.com, and I will do my best to answer your questions through this segment. Let's get started with our question for this episode. The question is from Mr. Fernando of Azusa, California. Attorney Estee, is COVID-19 vaccination required for green card applicants? Thank you, Mr. Fernando, for your question. This is an interesting topic. I have been asked this question many times during this pandemic, and the answer is yes. On September 14, 2021, the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, the USCIS, announced that effective October 1, 2021, applicants subject to the immigration medical examination must be fully vaccinated against COVID-19 before the civil surgeon can complete an immigration medical examination and sign Form I-693, which is the Report of Medical Examination and Vaccination Record. For the information of our viewers, some vaccines are expressly required by statute, and others are required because the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC, have determined they are in the interest of public health. The Immigration and Nationality Act requires the following vaccinations: mumps, measles, rubella, polio, tetanus and diphtheria toxoids, pertussis, Haemophilus, influenza type B, and hepatitis B, while the CDC requires the following additional vaccines for immigration purposes: varicella, influenza, pneumococcal pneumonia, rotavirus, hepatitis A, meningococcal, and now includes COVID-19. What does this mean? This means that all applicants who are required to submit to medical examination must now complete also the COVID-19 vaccine series, which is 1 or 2 doses depending on the vaccine, and must provide documentation of vaccination to the civil surgeon before completion of the immigration medical examinations. As I mentioned, this is effective October 1, 2021 and applies prospectively to all forms I-693 signed by the civil surgeon on or after that date. So, if you applied for a green card but you have not submitted Form I-693 along with your adjustment of status, you are covered by this new policy. The significant date is the date when the civil surgeon signed the form. If the civil surgeon has not signed your I-693 before October 1, 2021, then the applicant must comply with the COVID-19 vaccination policy before he signs the form. Again, who are covered by this new policy? In general, individuals applying to become a lawful permanent resident and other applicants as deemed necessary must undergo an immigration medical examination to show that they are free from any conditions that would render them inadmissible under the health-related grounds. You cannot just visit any doctor in your area for this purpose because the USCIS lists eligible physicians as civil surgeons to perform this immigration medical examination for applicants and to document the results of the immigration medical examination on the Form I-693. Now, the next question is, can the USCIS grant blanket waivers? The answer is yes. If the COVID-19 vaccine is not age-appropriate, contraindicated due to a medical condition, not routinely available where the civil surgeon practices, or limited in supply and would cause significant delay for the applicant to receive the vaccinations. Individuals may also apply for individual waivers based on religious beliefs or moral convictions by submitting Form I-601 or application for waiver of grounds of inadmissibility. That's it for now. Please remember this segment is to provide information and general views about U.S. immigration law. This segment is not intended to provide specific legal advice. Every case is different and the policies may subsequently change, and so it is always advisable to consult an immigration attorney. You can check out my YouTube channel, Attorney Estee channel, for more information about U.S. immigration law. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I hope you do so now. And for free consultation, you can email me at attorneyestee@aceronbisnarlaw.com or visit my website at www.aceronbisnarlaw.com. See you in the next episode of Immigration Q&A with Attorney Estee every first Friday of the month here at Spotlight TV on KSCI TV LA 18. Bye! Attorney Estee would like to thank Ms. Perla de la Rosa Neri for her skincare needs. For a fresher, younger, and lovelier you, visit Nora de la Rosa at 10065 Lumsden Avenue, Garden Grove, California 92840, or email noraskin_pearl@yahoo.com.